Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by understanding the Roblox ecosystem. Players spend Robux, which you can convert into real money, so focusing on engaging experiences is crucial. Your game needs to offer something truly compelling, something that makes players want to invest both their time and their valuable Robux. This foundational understanding really sets the stage for achieving strong profitability. First and foremost, your game needs to be genuinely fun and engaging. Think about what makes players want to return day after day, consistently. Implementing daily rewards, regular updates, or even robust social features can significantly boost retention. Happy players are always more likely to spend, so prioritize their overall experience above all else. Once players are truly engaged, then explore smart monetization. Game passes, unique cosmetic items, or even temporary experience boosts can be very effective. The goal is to offer things that players genuinely want and value, without making them feel forced or creating an unfair pay-to-win advantage. Keep your monetization balanced and always player-friendly for the best results. A strong community is vital for long-term success. Engage with your players, listen to their feedback, and regularly push out new updates. Whether it's a new map, fresh items, or bug fixes, consistent content keeps players invested. This continuous interaction builds loyalty and encourages further spending, fostering a thriving game. Finally, use data to your advantage. Roblox provides powerful analytics that show how players interact with your game and where they spend their Robux. Use this information to identify what's working and what isn't. Small adjustments based on data can lead to significant improvements in profitability over time, so keep refining your game.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.